This is the Google Pixel 2 XL. You guys will not believe how good this phone is in 2020. And in fact, I think it's the best budget phone ever. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to XL Premium. So the Pixel 2 XL is legitimately my most favorite phone of all time. The phone was released back in 2017 and came with a Snapdragon 835 with 4 gigs of RAM and 2 colors, Panda or aluminum black or just black, with 64 or 128 gigabyte options for storage. Okay guys, let's talk about the battery. So the battery is actually pretty well optimized, at least for me. I got 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, which is insane considering this phone is 3 years old. This is pretty much Google Pixel 4's level of battery. You guys can probably expect 4 to 5 hours if you're buying this phone used, but if you buy it new, you can probably expect 7 hours. So you can say the battery on the Google Pixel 2 is pretty good. One of my most favorite things about this phone is the super sharp 1440p POLED display. But my least favorite thing is it has no headphone jack. But the dual front-facing speakers kind of make up for that. So on the back of the phone you get two things, the camera and the fingerprint sensor. Speaking of cameras, let's go ahead and head into the camera review. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Anyways, here are some camera specs. So you get 4K at 30 FPS, 240 FPS slow motion, and 1080p 60. So you also get optical image stabilization, which basically makes your videos really smooth. So here are some shots I've taken with this phone, and as you can see, the video quality is pretty good, even though it's been 3 years. Google is known for their software, and they actually figured out a way to take ultra-wide pictures only with a single lens. So here are some ultra-wide photos before and after the software trick. If you want to know how to do this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the link in the description. Okay, how about some low-light night shots? Well, this phone actually does pretty insane too in the dark. Take a look at some shots. Okay guys, I have an insane story about this picture. So I was just walking around taking some night photos, but then I saw some animal looking at me, right in the center of the screen. So then I got out my tripod, turned on the astrophotography mode, and then I just let it sit there and take a picture for 2 minutes. And then after I'm done, there it is. I see a little cat staring at me. Like, I literally couldn't see it. It was almost pitch black. And look at this image. It literally looks like it's daytime. This is how good the camera is. Bear in mind the astrophotography mode is actually not available for the Pixel 2, so I had to download a mod to use this feature. Okay, so did you know the Pixel 2 XL can take 360-degree pictures? Nope. That's what I thought. It's pretty insane. One thing we haven't talked about yet is how fast is this phone in 2020? I mean, it's been 3 years. Shouldn't it be slowed down by now, just like Apple phones? No, of course not. Google actually optimizes their software, so every year, every OS update, the phone actually gets faster. Yes, I actually tested this personally, and this phone is a breeze to use. Whatever you do, everything loads pretty fast, and there are no hiccups, slowdowns, pretty much ever. Oh yeah, by the way, this phone boots incredibly fast, faster than any phone I've ever seen, at least any Android phone. I'm sure the Pixel 4 and 3 boot a little bit faster, but this phone still boots incredibly fast. So how fast does it boot? Well, in about 10 seconds. Okay guys, one thing we haven't talked about yet is the price point. So on this competing price of $130 to $150, you have the iPhone 6s Plus. And that phone is years older than the Pixel 2 XL, and it doesn't even compare to how good this phone is. In my opinion, like I said earlier, this phone is literally the best phone you can buy for $150, and considering its value, I think it's the best budget phone ever. Like seriously, leave a comment if you agree. Also, if you want to buy this phone, make sure you guys buy it using my Amazon link in the description and pin the comment, as I will be getting a commission for it, and that really helps out the channel so I can buy more phones and review more of them for you guys. Anyways, it's been fun with you guys, but it's time to go, and hopefully you guys subscribe, leave a like, comment, and see you guys later.